Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's take a look at this option bar here and tap on this 4 dots icon. And now the third position from the bottom is connected with the timer, so let's tap on it. In this device we've got 4 different options, turned off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see right now it is highlighted. Moreover, here we've got an additional icon which shows us that we've got the timer set. And now simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 2 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, you can turn the timer off just by using this bar, like we've did it previously, but you can also tap here on this highlighted icon and simply tap on the icon without any kind of countdown, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.